commodity. They have no underlying cash flows. They have no intrinsic value. They are akin to Ponzi schemes and may even be worse.
Hello guys and welcome back to our channel TVIB, and today we are going to talk about the use cases of crypto, like why is crypto used and what are the usages of crypto on which many coins have been working since a long time now. So yeah,
So let's dive on to the first use. Well, elections are going on right now. So after every election, the losing party always claims like the election wasn't fair, we were cheated, something like that, right? So to solve that purpose, there is a protocol known as IEEE Explore. Basically, what they do is they use the Ethereum blockchain to promote voting over there. So every vote which has been given by the user can be seen on the blockchain, and it is completely transparent. So each and even you can go on the Ethereum blockchain and verify the votes which have been given to different parties. So this is one of the use cases, and it has actually been used. It's not used in the regular elections, but like parachain auctions. So every auction is recorded on the blockchain. So everything which you vote for or you vote against is open to everyone, so everyone can see and verify that.
yeah. So that means कि वहाँ पे कुछ भी ऐसा जैसे people say like EVM has been hacked ये वो, तो ये सब चीजें नहीं हो रही
होंगी यहाँ पे.
Now moving further to art industry of crypto. तो क्रिप्टो में आर्ट इंडस्ट्री में क्या होता है कि काफी आर्टिस्ट ऐसे हैं जैसे उनको पहले किसी से फंडिंग चाहिए होती है या किसी कोई फंड राउंड होता है, उसके बाद जैसे बड़ी कंपनीज लाइक टी सीरीज एंड स्टफ, तो वो आर्टिस्ट को फंड करती हैं एंड इन रिटर्न आर्टिस्ट गेट्स अ स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ रॉयल्टी. ठीक है. तो ऐसे ही काफी कॉइन्स है लाइक ऑडियोज, इम्यूटेबल एक्स, ओपन सी, जहां पर जो आर्टिस्ट है आर्टिस्ट अपने एल्बम की NFT बनाता है एंड वो NFT हम ओन कर सकते हैं एंड यू विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ हिज म्यूजिक प्रोडक्शन. और मतलब जो भी पैसा होगा वो सीधे आर्टिस्ट को फंड होगा. सो ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू नीड एनी एक्सटर्नल पार्टी टू फंड हिम फॉर द म्यूजिक राउंड. तो ऐसे ही काफी ऐसे कॉइन्स है जैसे उस पर काम कर रहे हैं.
और जैसे कि आर्टिस्ट को काफी लेबल्स पर ऐसे परफॉर्म नहीं करते हैं अगर आर्टिस्ट, तो उनको लेबल निकाल देते हैं अपने लेबल से. बट ऐसे ही अगर डिसेंट्रलाइज प्लेटफॉर्म पे होगा तो कोई उसको उनको ना निकाल सकता है ना कोई रख सकता है. तो वो लोग जैसे ऐसे अपलोड करेंगे और जो उनके फैंस होंगे वो डायरेक्टली उनसे खरीदेंगे, तो जो एग्जैक्टली उसको पैसा आना चाहिए वो उन्हीं को आएगा, ना कि लेबल्स को आता है.
एंड उनकी NFT ओन करने से जैसे जैसे उनकी एल्बम्स आगे बिकती जाएंगी एंड जैसे जैसे उनका एल्बम का सेलिंग अमाउंट इंक्रीज होता जाएगा, वैसे वैसे आपको भी पैसिव इनकम बनेगी. So you will earn a passive income just by holding an NFT, and you will also be a part of whatever your artist
fan base is.
Yeah, fan base is. So yeah, that's how audios and many OpenSea and immutable X are working.
So another use case of crypto is the supply chain. The supply chain industry is almost about $10 trillion, and everyone in their life has faced some problems like you buy a Jordan and it turns out to be a fake Jordan. A lot of fake products are out there in the market. So what supply chain does is basically every product which is made by the manufacturer has a public key, and what I'm trying to say is the whole transportation route is being tracked on the blockchain. So whenever you get that product, you can exactly track from where that product is coming. So this form of supply chain actually solves the problem of fake products in the market, and there are a lot of coins doing this. Notably, there is VeChain and HBAR. So actually, they have a system, and they are actually working on it, and they are basically actually VeChain just partnered with LV, so they are actually distributing its product right now, and everything is being tracked on the blockchain.
Yeah, so the products cannot be fake.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so another thing is where you can earn from crypto is by playing games. तो होता क्या है कि many people what they do is they play games and in return they get nothing but kind of waste their time playing the game, right? So what you can do in crypto and in metaverse, and there are many things working on this, like there are games like Axie Infinity, the Sandbox, where you can earn while playing games. So you don't have just to be a YouTuber while playing games to earn money. You can just play the game and you will earn a passive income, and not just passive income, you can earn and you can buy like what do you say, real estate in Sandbox, and you can buy many things and sell it for a higher price, and that's how you will earn from Axie Infinity and playing Sandbox just by playing games. So those are called play to earn games.
And the amount of revenue which people are generating from such games it's not limited to just $100, $200. People are actually earning millions of dollars by just playing games. So if someone now comes up to you and says game mat khela karo kharab तो उसका Axie Infinity खिला देना. Another use case of crypto is social media. A while back, people were saying that masks are not effective for COVID, and actually they are not. It's been proven. So, but in return of stating facts, their Instagram and Facebook accounts were being deleted. A while back, actually not a while back, a couple of days ago, a YouTuber said that actually he went to a certain country and on there, I don't know, on McDonald's or Shake Shack, it was written that Russian people are not allowed. Well, the war is not against Russian people, so what's the point of not allowing Russian people to eat? He said the exact same thing on Instagram, and his story was deleted. His almost account was deleted. So, what I'm saying is, these centralized body actually limit and censor what you can say and what you cannot say. And there is an interview in which a person was saying, actually an insider was saying that basically all these social media accounts are being run by certain political parties, and they try to control the whole narrative of the thing. So there are a lot of crypto a lot of crypto social media platforms like Streamit and Lens Protocol. What they basically do is you can't censor the content. Basically, they don't have the control over the content, and whatever you are posting is not censored. Nobody can delete your account. Nobody can talk shit to you for stating facts, right? So this whole censorship and like people trying to control your thinking can be solved by using a social media platform which is built on blockchain.
Even Indians are working towards it.
Chingari, right?
Chingari app. This is not a paid partnership, but we are telling you about that. Salman Khan has launched a new application which is based on the social media platform is decentralized. It's like TikTok, लेकिन decentralized है. तो और उस मतलब decentralized app TikTok का नाम है Chingari. So you can search it up, you can find it. But
they also have a token called Gari, right?
Yeah, Gari token, something. And moving to our next topic, which is banked and banked. So what happens is many, like in rural areas, many people have phones, but they don't have a bank account. मतलब इस टाइम पे उनका बैंक अकाउंट नहीं है. So what they can do is they can just download a decentralized application of finance, and they can use and instantly they will have a bank account.
Yeah, exactly.
Using that decentralized. What happens? और बैंक में एक और प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है? Like what people do is like some war happens, like whatever is happening in Ukraine right now. So वहाँ पर क्या होता है? People's bank account have been seized. If someone needs money, they cannot take out any money from Ukrainian bank accounts, and they cannot use their own money to save themselves from whatever is happening, or to have supplies for themselves, or to eat their, because money has a lot of uses, right? तो आपका पैसा कहीं पर भी ब्लॉक नहीं होना चाहिए. Your money should belong to you, and you आपको उसके राइट्स होने चाहिए कि आपको कैसे अपना पैसा यूज करना है, ना कि किसी और सेंट्रलाइज्ड पर्सन के पास होना चाहिए कि आपको कहाँ यूज करना है, कहाँ नहीं करना है, उनको नहीं बताना होता. सो देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सो
जैसे कि अगर रूरल एरिया में बैंक डालने के लिए कम से कम एक एटीएम या फिर एक ब्रांच चाहिए, बट फोन है आपके पास, यू कैन डाउनलोड a wallet which will make you a part of the network. So now you are, well, not exactly bank, but you know, you can enjoy similar services with faster rate and less transactions. So basically it is also including the rural people which don't have bank accounts. So it's one of the perks.
That's it for this video, and we will come up with another video with more use cases of crypto. So
thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.
Yeah, thank you.
I won't stop till I hear him say